welcome to Tiffany's House Connection. And today what we are making, it is turmeric, banana, ginger, coconut milk, and if you like you can add a little spice of honey. I have a name for this drink like I always do for all my drinks, so the kids will not just feel like they're drinking something healthy, but we like to give it a name. So this one is called the Hercules drink. So let's get started, jump right in there. You can use fresh ginger, but today I don't have the fresh turmeric. Today I do not have the fresh turmeric, so you can use capsules if you like. You can just open a capsule. I typically like to add 2 capsules to mine. I also have a turmeric tea as well, which I use a capful from this turmeric tea. However you like to do it, or you can actually use the fresh. Next thing we have here is a banana. I like to use a half a banana if I'm making it just for myself. If you're doing it for a family, then you would like to do a whole banana, but all you need is a half a banana. And here is ginger root. So we have 2 separate roots. The first one was a turmeric root. This one is actually a ginger root. You can always find this everywhere. This is at all the local stores, Walmart, Shine, any supermarket. You can always find it. You can peel it, but you don't necessarily have to peel it. You actually can just throw the whole thing just like this with the skin on it in the blender and drink it just like that. But actually I blended it for you guys for today. And also you just want to do coconut milk. I do not use cow milk at all. I don't believe that it's good for you. So you can pick your choice of milk, but my choice is actually coconut milk. You can add this honey. You can add any kind of honey if you want to sweeten it. Personally I don't add honey to mine. I'm okay. I've acquired a taste to all this health food, so I don't like mine extremely sweet. Starting out your kids, starting out your family, you might want to put a teaspoon or a tablespoon of honey in it. The drink is absolutely delicious. And it's a very good morning drink. So let me go ahead and get started. So here we go. We're going to just go ahead and mix and blend these things together. Put in the turmeric powder. Put in a half a banana. Put in these 2 pieces of ginger. And then here we go with the milk. And here we have, once I blend this up really quick, we're going to have that Hercules drink. You got to stop and start it because you want to make sure you get down and get those roots to chop up. Alright, so what you have here is a mineral packed drink right here. And it's really good. The turmeric is really good for inflammation. The ginger is good for preventing colds. It's good for your immune system. It's just a lot of benefits. The banana has potassium in it. Has packed with vitamin C. It has a lot of all kind of stuff that is excellent for you. It's a good drink and something that you would want to start your day off with. Alright, we are pouring a glass of some serious goodness right here. Delicious. 2 thumbs up. So if you like this drink, if you like this video, please click a like below. And for the ingredients, of course I always list all of my ingredients in the description as well.